Hi guys, today we will cook delicious spicy Georgian soup Ostri. The list of the ingredients is also below the video. I already half a year live in Georgia and it started to be my favorite cuisine. First you need 400 beefs cut into cubes. Heat oil in a frying pan and put the meat into the pan. You must cook all the soup under the lid. 2 pieces of onion cut into half rings. Add onion to meat. Now salt and black pepper to taste. And 1 teaspoon of adjik. All mix and put on a small fire. Simmer under the lid around 30–40 minutes. After add 20 grams of butter and fry for another 5 minutes. Now 1½ tablespoon tomato paste. Prepare 5 tomatoes, peeled and finely chopped. Add our tomatoes to the pan and put on medium heat. Chopped 1 chili pepper. Minced 3 garlic cloves. Put pepper and garlic to the pan and add another 1 teaspoon of adjik. All mix. Fry 5 minutes. Chop 200 grams of pickles and 1 bunch of parsley. Add to the pan and mix. Add 100 ml of boiled water and fry again for another 5 minutes. So our spicy Georgian soup Ostri is ready. It started to be my favorite soup. Before serving, decorate with parsley and green onion and serve with lavash. There is the most delicious soup what I have tasted. You must try it, really, even if you don't like spicy food. Just don't put chili pepper in, that's all, but it's most delicious soup. Please support me by like and don't forget to follow my channel. I will cook many recipes from all over the world. Let's travel together.